Alright, so here we are, car's running. Engine's running, everything's fine. Okay. Motor's good. Got pressure in the cooling system, we got water, got oil. Alright, we put some oil in the power steering fluid, but everything, but you know, that's the easy step. Okay. And she's running very smooth right now. Okay, so this is what happens when you do a good job. Now, when she gets hot, I'll shut her down and we'll see how she starts up again. Normally, what happens is when she gets hot, I have to give it like double pumper on the accelerator pedal to get her to start up. And once she starts up, she's fine. But, you know, I want her to be in as close to perfect condition as possible, and so that's what I'm talking about. But here she is. She's doing her thing. Alright, we're good in the hood so far. Alright, let's let her run for 5 minutes more, and then we'll shut her down and start it up again.